In this super short 1-minute video, I'm going to show you how to make any object disappear from your photos. To start, pick any selection tool you like and make a rough selection around your subject. If you want to add or subtract from that selection, use these buttons below the menu. To be able to see the before and after, let's duplicate the background. Simply drag the layer to the new layer icon. Then go to Edit, File, and choose Content Aware from the list. Click OK. Done. Let's see the before and after. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.